Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best projector for murals that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Anker Nebula Capsule Max Projector. Anker Nebula Mini Projector is a portable device that can display clear images up to 100 inches, 254 centimeters, in size from multiple angles. It uses zoom technology and can autofocus within a second. The projector has a native 720p HD resolution, 200 ANSI brightness, and can play videos for up to 4 hours on a single battery charge. It also has an 8W speaker for audio playback. You can connect USB and HDMI devices to the projector to display media files on a large screen. With the mini projector, you can connect your devices wirelessly via AirPlay, Miracast, or Bluetooth. You can control the projector using the Nebula Connect app on your phone. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VEVO L4200 Portable Mini Projector. VEVO L4200 Mini is a professional HD video projector compatible with iPhone. It is small and portable, making it easy to take with you and use for street murals. It features an LED lighting system that delivers 4000 lux of brightness, supports 720p native resolution, 1080p support, has a contrast ratio of 2000 to 1, and a lamp life of 50,000 hours. This guarantees worry-free use of the projector. VEVO L4200 video projector has several types of ports, such as HDMI, USB, audio and AV interfaces. This allows you to easily connect it to your mobile phone, game consoles to play videos, photos, games and other content. The VEVO L4200 can project images from 44 to 200 inches, with a projection distance of 1.5 to 4.6 meters. It also has built-in dual stereo speakers with SRS for clear, balanced sound. At number 3, we have the Anker Nebula Mars 2 Pro Projector. Anker Nebula Mars 2 Pro Projector provides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content on the go with loved ones or coworkers. It is a great way to create memorable experiences. You can use the device's built-in rechargeable battery to play for up to 3 hours straight without needing an outlet. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to bring along wherever you go. The Anker Nebula Mars 2 Pro Projector has a high resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, and can display images up to 150 inches in size with clarity. It also includes a 10-watt speaker located on the front of the device, and has Bluetooth capabilities. The process of setting up the projector is easy. It uses autofocus technology that quickly delivers clear images, and adjusts easily with keystone correction to fit different sizes. You can use this projector to bring your creative ideas to life, whether you're at home or outside. At number 2, we have the Artograph EZ Tracer Art Projector. Artograph EZ Tracer Art Projector is a lightweight, silent tracer lightbox that uses a 163mm optical glass lens to project images onto walls or canvases. It has a 5.5-foot cord with a standard 120 volts plug. The projector can enlarge flat images from 2 to 10 times their original size and has a 4x4-inch copy area, making it ideal for large drawings and prints. The projector requires an LED or fluorescent light bulb, not included, and incandescent bulbs cannot be used as they are too hot for the projector. The Artograph EZ Tracer is ideal for use in schools, workplaces and studios for small drawings and murals. And finally, at number 1, we have the AAXA P7 Mini Projector. The AAXA P7 Mini Projector is a small but powerful device that offers many features. It has a full HD 1080p resolution that delivers a clear and accurate image with vivid colors. This device is very small and lightweight, measuring 4.7 by 4.4 inches by 2.7, and weighing only 1.48 pounds, so it's easy to take with you in a laptop bag or briefcase for travel or entertainment. It features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last up to 90 minutes without the need to change a bulb thanks to its long-lasting LEDs that can last over 30,000 hours. AAXA P7 mini projector has various input and output options such as HDMI and mini VGA, and can display images up to 120 inches diagonally. It's a great choice for home and home murals as well as for traveling and outdoor projects.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.